my name is Miss Lulu, and you are watching Bean and Peanut Learning. Today, we are going to learn two new irregular vowels. Now remember, irregular vowels are vowels that don't follow the rules. So our regular vowels, not the irregular ones, but our regular vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, usually say a long sound and a short sound. But when they're irregular, they don't say either of those sounds and they say something completely new. So if you look at my board, we have the letter O and I, and the letter O and Y. And instead of saying O or ah, O with letter I is going to say oi. And instead of saying O or ah, O with letter Y is also going to say oi. So today we're going to be cooking up some oi words. Are you ready to cook with me? When you're cooking, and you put a lot of water in your pot and it starts to bubble, it starts to boil. Did you know that's called boiling? And boil has our regular vowel O-I in it. So we're going to write on our board, let me get my chalk, it's over here on the floor. We're going to write on our board, boil, B-O-I-L, boil. Oh my goodness, talking about cooking just brings me so much joy. Joy! Hey! Joy also has oi in it. Let's put that on our board. Joy goes on the O-Y side, J-O-Y says joy. Okay, here we go. I'm super excited to see what's in this pot. I've got a lot of oi words mixing up in here. Let's mix them all together. Ready? Mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix. All right, let's see our first thing. Pulling it out of our pot, we have a ball. Now, a ball could also be considered a toy. Toy. Do you hear that oi sound in toy? Toy. Oh, didn't catch it. Okay, here we go. Toy, toy, toy. O-Y. T and O-Y together say toy. All right. Okay, here we go. We're going to mix up some more words. What do you think I'm going to get out here next? Mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix. You won't even believe what's in here. I am a princess. I am just such a beautiful royal princess. Did you hear that in there? Royal, royal. Royal has oi in it. Royal is also O-Y. Royal. R-O-Y-A-L spells royal. Okay, you ready to mix some more with me? Can you get your mixing voices on? Here we go. Mix and mix and mix. Can you say mix and mix and mix? Mix and mix and mix. All right, let's see what's out here next. Whoa, whoa, noise! Oh my goodness, that was noisy. Noisy. Noisy has O-I, oi in it. N-O-I-S-E spells noise. Noise. And that was some really noisy noise. All right. Ready to mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix. Hey, speaking of cooking, what is this we've got here? This is oil. Oil. And look right there, it even has O-I, oi. Oil. Oil has our irregular vowel O-I. O-I says, what's it say? Oi, good job. And L makes the O sound, so this says oil. Oil. Nice work. Okay, just two more things in here. Let's see what it's going to be. Mix and mix and mix. Mix it, mix it, mix. Whoa. What is this? Do you see all of this dirty soil? Soil is what you put in the ground and then you plant seeds in it and it makes a beautiful plant. Soil has irregular vowel O-I in it. Soil. S-O-I L says, what's it say? Soil. Perfect. All right, one last thing. Are you ready to do one last big mix? Here we go. Mix and mix and mix. I'm excited about this one. I can see it in here. These are boys. Do you see this picture of boys? And these two boys aren't any old boys. These are special boys to my heart. These are my sons. These are Miss Lulu's boys. This is Bean and this is Peanut. These are my boys. Can we spell the word boys? All you have to do is listen for the beginning sound. B, b. What letter says b, b? That's right. B says b, b. B, b. And oi, boy, O-Y. This spells boy, and to make it plural, we'll just add an S on the end. And what does it say? Boys! That says boys. Now let's just see what we've got up here. You have made the word boil, noise, oil, soil, joy, toy, royal, and boys. You just made all of those words with the irregular vowels O-I and irregular vowels O-Y, which both say, what do they say? Oi! They both say oi. So now, whenever you're reading a book and you see the word, or you see the two letters O-I or the two letters O-Y, then you can think in your brain, I know what those say. They both say oi. And you can read oi words all by yourself because you are pretty awesome. So let's give yourself a round of applause and a pat on the back and a kiss on the cheek and say, I'm awesome because you are so awesome. Thank you so much for watching today. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can see all of our way fun learning videos, and I'll see you next time.